To understand this chapter, we must know some basics of complex number. The complex number is represented by this form a plus some j and b. This term without the j or I, that is called a real part of this number. Real part of z, that is equal to a, and the second one, that is with j, that is called imaginary part of z, that is equal to what, b. Whatever the term present without I, that is called real part of this number, and the term with j or I, that is called the imaginary part of this number. So you can represent this real part like this, real part of z, and imaginary part like this, imaginary part of z. Now how to draw this number in the complex plane? How to show this number in the complex plane? In the complex plane, the x-axis represent the real axis and the y-axis represent the imaginary axis. Now make a coordinates from this number. The x coordinate is what, our real part, and y coordinate is what, our imaginary part. So our real part is a and our imaginary part is b, so our number is this one. So from the origin to this number, this indicate our z, the complex number, and this represent the angle with the positive x-axis. Now how to find the length of this z? That is in our chapter, that is called impedance of the given circuit. Now how to find this? This is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is equal to what, under root of square summation of square of other two side. This one is a and this one is b, so z is equal to what, a square plus b square. Now you may also write this z in terms of real part and imaginary part. This a represent the real part of z and the b represent the imaginary part of z. You can also represent the z directly from this real part and imaginary part. Now how to find this phi? So write down tan phi. Tan phi is equal to what, opposite by adjacent. So opposite side is equal to what, b, and adjacent is equal to what, a. So phi you can write tan inverse b by a. So you may also write this equation in form of b is equal to what, imaginary part, and a is equal to what, real part. So you can also find this phi angle with this number only.